In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3B, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use your app in full screen view, you can either click at the top left corner or scale it, and when you see this blue area, let go. In order to close your window, you can click on the top right corner or swipe it in the background. You can even turn your app into a bubble by clicking on Home button and swiping tiny window to the side. Then to access it, tap on this line and click on the tiny window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!